Welcome to Moicon Use Cases to help you optimize production in your factory today. Log into your account at twin.moicon.net. Add a new project. Create sections for each floor or area you would like to have in your project. Upload 3D model files for each designated section. If you don't have 3D files of your factory, please contact us at moicon.net/contact. We will help you to create your own project from scratch. Save the project and wait for the files to be processed. When it's ready, you can open the project from any device. Plan your first factory layout. You can add as many layouts as you'd like. Insert assets and equipment that represent your factory floor. Save a layout by creating a snapshot. By toggling on Set as Initial, the snapshot will be loaded by default the next time you open up the project. You can also plan your next and future layouts. Don't forget to Set as Initial. This will make the given snapshot load by default. From the Snapshot Manager, choose one of your saved layout views to visualize your factory. You can access all your layouts from any device with a web browser. For example, you can use your PC, tablet, or phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next use case video.